How to enable or disable fingerprint unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. So after click on security and privacy, so you will see security and privacy is here. So click on lock screen. So after click on lock screen, enter phone pin and click on continue. So click on fingerprints. So if you want to enable or disable fingerprint lock, so you will see fingerprint unlock is there. So if you want to disable fingerprint unlock, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see fingerprint unlock is disabled. So if you want to enable fingerprint unlock, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see fingerprint unlock is enabled. So you will enable or disable fingerprint unlock from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable fingerprint unlock on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.